Air conditioning repair tips. Find reliable HVAC contractor. The warmer the climate, the more important it is to have good air conditioning repair contractors information handy. Who wants to get home from a long day at work and discover the AC has stopped working? So give yourself a head start. Complete your research before the need arises, and then when and if the emergency strikes, you will be prepared. So search for air conditioning repair companies online. Use terms like AC repair contractor or air conditioning repair companies online to get a list of local contractors. Follow these important steps to complete your research and to find the one who is qualified, reliable and properly licensed. First, locate contractor's license on their business website or call and ask for it. Then check contractor's license information on Contractors State License Board site under Online Services. You can also reach CSLB by phone at 800-321-CSLB. This is where you can verify their workers' compensation coverage and confirm that company's contractor's license is valid and there are no unresolved complaints against the company. Check HVAC contractors' general liability coverage. General liability insurance policy will protect you in case of any damage that may occurring while the company is performing repairs on your property. Always take some time to check out references for the repair company you selected. You can do this on Google Local, Yahoo Local, Yelp, City Search and other sites. Check companies' Better Business Bureau ratings and read through complaints. It is impossible for a real business with real people to not make any mistakes, but be sure to check that all complaints have been properly addressed and resolved. Also note that sometimes the rating may be adversely affected by other variables, such as length of time the business has been operating. So take a moment to look through the report before jumping to any conclusions. Once you request an estimate for the repairs, be sure to get a written line-per-line cost estimate and find out how long the repairs will take before the work begins. Read all fine print on the contract before signing. The more detailed the description on the contract is, the less grounds for disagreements there will be. Even though you are desperate to repair your air conditioner, don't rush to settle with a company that offers you the cheapest bid. Do your research to ensure that the company you choose will complete the job on time and as quoted. Although there are many heating and air conditioning contractors to choose from for your AC repair, homeowner satisfaction has always been our #1 priority. We encourage you to visit us online or call today and we will take of your family as our own. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/len_stupik/14205757